Buckle up, because Toyota's CEO is about to unveil a game changer that will not just disrupt, but utterly annihilate the automotive industry as we know it. Imagine a world where cars don't just drive, they fly. Toyota's visionary leader is set to reveal their revolutionary new electric flying car that will soar above the competition, leaving conventional vehicles grounded and gasping for air. Get ready for takeoff, because the future of transportation has just shifted into a whole new dimension, and it's a ride you won't want to miss. The dream of flying cars has captured our collective imagination for decades, with visions of futuristic scenes from movies like Blade Runner, The Fifth Element, and Back to the Future. Now, Toyota is investing heavily in urban air mobility, an emerging industry projected to be worth a staggering $1.5 trillion in the next 2 decades. In partnership with multi-million-dollar startups, Toyota has invested over $300 million into this visionary project. The birth of a partnership. Toyota and Joby Aviation. Joby Aviation. Pioneering urban air mobility. The story begins with Joby Aviation, a California-based company specializing in air taxi shuttles. Joby Aviation's journey began in 2009 when they embarked on developing an electric air taxi that could transform the way we commute. Early investments in progress. In 2018, Joby Aviation announced a significant milestone with $100 million in funding from influential backers like Intel and JetBlue. This backing was crucial in propelling their project forward. However, it was Toyota's subsequent investment of $394 million in 2020 that accelerated their development and granted Toyota a minority stake in the company. Key components of the collaboration. Toyota's contribution to Joby's success. Under a long-term agreement, Toyota has committed to supplying Joby Aviation with crucial powertrain and actuation components. These components play a vital role in the production of Joby's electric vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicles. The collaboration aims to achieve mass production and deploy high-quality, reliable, and safe eVTOLs that meet stringent cost standards. The manufacturing process. The eVTOL components will be designed by Joby and manufactured by Toyota. After production, these parts will be shipped to Joby's powertrain and electronics facility in San Carlos, California. Here, the final assembly of the eVTOLs will take place. These aircraft will then be transferred to Joby's pilot production line in Marina, where the complete eVTOL integration process will occur. A glimpse into the future. Flying cars and their historical roots. The early dream of flying cars. The concept of flying cars is not new, dating back to the early 20th century. However, these early prototypes were limited by the technological constraints of their time. Let's explore some historical attempts at creating flying cars and why they never took off. Glenn Curtis's Autoplane, 1917. In 1917, Glenn Curtis, an aviation pioneer, created the first flying car prototype called the Curtis Autoplane. This aircraft featured a unique 3-wing design, an aluminum body, and a 4-bladed propeller positioned behind the passenger compartment. While the autoplane conducted successful test flights, the project never progressed beyond experimental stages and was eventually abandoned. The Convair car, 1947. In 1947, the Convair car emerged as a hybrid car airplane. It could transform from a road vehicle into a flying machine by attaching wings and a tail section. The Convair car, with a pusher propeller and pilot-operated controls, completed successful flight tests, but was discontinued due to high production costs and limited market interest. Taylor Aerocar, 1956. In 1956, the Taylor Aerocar became a notable flying car prototype. It could reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour in the air and 60 miles per hour on the ground. The Aerocar even received certification from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA. Despite its success, only 6 units were produced due to insufficient market demand. The Sky Commuter, 1989. The Sky Commuter, introduced in 1989, was designed to reach a top speed of 120 miles per hour in the air and 60 miles per hour on the ground, positioning itself as a dual-use vehicle. Although it received FAA certification, market interest remained limited, leading to a production halt after only 6 units were built. Toyota's secret investment, partnering with Joby Aviation and SkyDrive. Toyota's investment in Joby Aviation. Toyota's partnership with Joby Aviation is a pivotal move in the quest for flying cars. Joby Aviation, a California-based startup, has dedicated its efforts to developing electric air taxis. Their electric air vehicles, or eVTOLs, have been designed with a clear focus on urban air mobility. The Joby Aviation eVTOL. Joby Aviation's eVTOL is designed to accommodate 4 passengers along with a pilot. It boasts an impressive range of up to 150 miles on a single charge and can achieve a top speed of 200 miles per hour. This aircraft's unique tilt-rotor design enables vertical takeoff and landing, making it a perfect fit for urban environments. Progress and milestones. Joby Aviation's journey to realizing its vision has been marked by several significant milestones. They conducted more than 1,000 test flights, which underscored the safety and feasibility of their eVTOL concept. Moreover, they formed a promising partnership with Uber in 2020 to further develop their air taxi service. This collaboration positions Joby Aviation at the forefront of the burgeoning urban air mobility industry. Toyota's investment in SkyDrive. SkyDrive, Toyota's venture in Japan. In addition to its collaboration with Joby Aviation, Toyota has also invested in SkyDrive, a Japanese startup committed to bringing flying cars to reality. SkyDrive was founded in 2018, and they have been making substantial strides in this ambitious endeavor. Successful test flights. The progress made by SkyDrive is evident in their successful manned test flight of the SD-03, which took place in August 2020. This achievement validated the practicality of their eVTOL concept and its potential for everyday use. SkyDrive has set ambitious goals, aiming to launch a commercial air taxi service by 2023 and make flying cars available for personal use by 2028. The future of flying cars. Challenges and opportunities. Regulatory frameworks and infrastructure. The road to achieving widespread adoption of flying cars is not without challenges. To transform these dreams into reality, several key aspects must be addressed, including regulatory frameworks, infrastructure development, and public acceptance. Regulatory hurdles. Existing air traffic control systems are ill-equipped to handle the expected surge in air traffic resulting from the introduction of flying cars. Developing entirely new sets of rules and guidelines for air traffic control, particularly in densely populated urban areas, is imperative. Public acceptance and safety. Public acceptance and safety concerns are critical. The prospect of flying cars, while exciting, raises apprehensions about safety. Crashes involving flying vehicles are perceived as far more terrifying than typical road traffic accidents, necessitating rigorous safety measures and stringent regulations. Noise pollution. One potential advantage of flying cars is their significantly reduced noise levels, claiming to be 100 times quieter than conventional aircraft during takeoff and landing. This could be a game changer for urban living, improving the quality of life for city residents. Navigating the path to personal air mobility. As we stand at the threshold of personal air mobility, with Toyota's visionary investments in Joby Aviation and SkyDrive, it's essential to approach this transformative technology with caution and practicality. The allure of flying cars is undeniable, but practical and regulatory challenges must be met to ensure their safe and efficient integration into our urban landscapes. With these pioneering efforts, we are one step closer to realizing a future where the sky is no longer the limit. However, we must remember that there is still a long journey ahead before flying cars become a common sight in our skies. As the automotive industry hustles into an electrifying future, the visionary leadership of Toyota's CEO promises to redefine not only the way we drive, but how we envision transportation itself. The prospect of a flying electric car is more than just a leap forward. It's a paradigm shift that challenges convention and sparks the flames of innovation. If you found our video informative, like the video and kindly subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our videos.